In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to insert a YouTube video in Canva quickly and easily. Whether you're creating a presentation, a marketing design, an online course slide, or social media content, embedding a YouTube video directly into your Canva design can make your project far more engaging and interactive. The best part is that it only takes a few seconds once you know the trick. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss any small details that could save you time. And if this video helps you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple Canva tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. The first step is to go to YouTube and copy the link of the video you want to insert. Open YouTube in your browser and find the exact video you'd like to add to your Canva design. Once you're on the video page, go to the address bar at the top of your browser. Click on the full URL and copy it. You can right-click and press copy, or simply use the shortcut Ctrl+C on Windows or Command+C on Mac. Make sure you copy the full link correctly because Canva will use that link to automatically load the video player inside your design. After copying the link, the next step is to open your Canva design. You can either create a new design or open an existing one where you want the video to appear. Once you're inside the Canva editor, simply click anywhere on your canvas where you want the video to be inserted. Now press Ctrl+V on Windows or Command+V on Mac to paste the link directly onto the canvas. You don't need to go into any special menu, app section, or embed tool. Just paste the YouTube link straight into your design. As soon as you paste it, Canva will automatically recognize that it's a YouTube URL. Within a few seconds, the YouTube player will load directly inside your design. You'll see the video thumbnail appear, and it will be embedded as a playable video element. At this point, you can resize the video just like any other element in Canva. Click on the corners to drag and adjust the size, reposition it anywhere on your canvas, and align it with your text, images, or other design elements. If you're creating a presentation, the video will be playable during presentation mode. If you're exporting a design that supports video, the embedded video will remain interactive depending on the format you choose. Keep in mind that the video is linked from YouTube, so an internet connection will be required for playback. And that's it. That's how simple it is to insert a YouTube video into Canva. Just copy the YouTube link, paste it directly into your Canva design, and let Canva automatically load the player for you. No complicated integrations, no extra apps, and no advanced settings required. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more easy Canva tips and step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.